Every school system has different needs when it comes to program management, construction management, depending on the scope and the sequence. The scope of the work that we had to do, the time frames, we could not have managed it without some program management.
Pelham Ridge Elementary School is a K-5 school. It's 120,000 square feet, about a $20 million building package. They had an aggressive schedule on this project because they recently branched out and became their own school system. So we moved very quickly to get the plans and design for this project going so that this school could open.
Studies suggest that a student's climate, students have to make sure that all of their needs are met. So going into a new facility versus going into a renovated space is going to be telling for the students, because they'll be able to come into a building that's safe, a building that's clean, and then just a warming and a welcoming environment. It's going to be great for the kids.
It holds 800 students. It has a gym, cafeteria, media center, special needs classrooms, and has 2 courtyards, has 2 storm shelters in the need of severe storms. Just a lot of exciting features in the school.
Technology plays a huge role in the lives of these 21st century learners. Students here will now have the opportunity to walk into a space that has Wi-Fi capabilities throughout the facility. So when they're using their devices or they're using technology in the classroom, the system is already established at the school that is built to support the devices that they'll be using. And so having a space where these kids can utilize those tools without any type of dead spaces or anything to that measure is going to be beneficial to them.
From the material that we've used in designing the school, from the colors that we've chosen, from everything, every aspect of the building, we knew that we needed to meet the children where they were and what their interests were and what would appeal to them, and parents moving into the city as well.
If you think about it, a school district is in the business of educating kids. And so they don't have the resources to carry a large staff to manage construction projects. And construction projects have to be managed. They don't build themselves. The architect designs it, the contractors build it, but the owner has it's a 3-legged stool. And the owner is usually the least experienced person in that area when it comes time to build a building or a program of buildings. And that's where we step in and come alongside of them.
For 2 years now, this is all we've been dreaming about, all of us, and the students and the parents. I mean, it's been an amazing experience for the community.
I think it puts a sense of pride in the community, the learning environment for the children and the teachers. It matters. It definitely matters, and we think this is a gift to our community and to our kids, and we think it'll make a difference.